5 easy and fun DIY home decor ideas. This video has been produced by an artificial intelligence. Leave a comment with a topic for the next video. People love decorating their homes, but sometimes they don't have the time or money to go out and buy new decorations. Luckily, there are plenty of easy and fun DIY home decor ideas that can spruce up any space without breaking the bank. 1. Create a gallery wall. 1. A gallery wall is a great way to show off your favorite photos, artwork, or other decorations. 1. To create one, start by measuring the wall and sketching out a plan. 1. You'll want to decide on a layout and determine the spacing between each item. 1. Once you have a plan, start hanging your items in place. 1. You can use nails, tape, or command strips to hang them. 2. Hang a wreath. Wreaths are a great way to add a touch of holiday cheer to your home. You can buy a wreath or make your own using materials like pine cones, berries, and ribbon. To hang a wreath, use a wire hanger or a wreath hanger. 3. Make a simple banner. A banner is a great way to add a touch of personality to any room. You can make a simple banner using fabric, ribbon, and letters or stencils. Cut the fabric or ribbon to the desired length and then use a hot glue gun to attach the letters or stencils. 4. Add a touch of nature. One of the easiest and most natural ways to decorate your home is to add plants and flowers. You can add plants to your windowsill, desk, or any other space that gets good sunlight. You can also add flowers to a vase or use them to make a wreath or banner. 5. Use DIY decor to celebrate holidays. Holidays are a great time to get creative with your DIY home decor. You can make a festive wreath or banner, or add holiday-themed decorations to your gallery wall. Thanks for watching.